linge kamsang anzo channel to ker to phewa de nge ka su shugiye tharingi nyin dung dina linge gi lenge cholang anzo dungchi gi gyune inji jangna ya hu yong sare samso khan shubaina ta ya dimda khashi si chedul anzo tatu cha desra songza thari ya tatu the chene dungchi thoni anzo inji dus lockdown ine re thu khari nan thi du le ru da dinde thangma jik tana ya pu chung sare samso dinyo nange gi nyin dung the story of tashi la ne dung thangbo inde dishi ge jura dinde jik soyi dilhengi so mangbu ji sisha thjina share ra kisi sige chungmena ide I card la sha go ni description nang le sha ra ke si lengi so si de ne inje si ro na share ra tharingi dung di ni ya pe le hauj da mi di kharre shu baina tanang jo NCERT textbook lobta gi inji lokte be ra china thangbo gi lokte gi lob chen thangbo 3 little pigs phautu sum ne ni di ani di dung go ma chung ne khisi lhingi so gi ang channel to subscribe chi gi thema thangbo page chhe dina dash tele ngeming la ki zum si gi ang so tinda ta pa channel di gi ne phege thoni inji jang go re khisi lhingi so inde inji jang te ba ro ji na inji ang channel to subscribe chi ne ang nyam do shurana share ra ani thingsa nge gi Instagram thole ya inde reel kam karcha sumju second sumju cha reel dinde swe dora dinde gyune nyindung gyune inji inde ya so gi khaje penthona samnende do ji ni tu do so digi kisilinge so Instagram page nangi and dinde inji phege thone jang da inde jik de ba na inji follow na share ra ani lasa ani dungo chu gi ni gi lenge so chedula dung di dewa chik la sha ro hlingi so isiro na ani la su tha thangbo ni gi dung di ma chik changma lo she ni dila paragraph yo ro ma chu chiklu nga yo re thong re ro ende mangbu yo ma re ani ta go chu gi der 3 little pigs. Once there were 3 little pigs, Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw. Monu lived in a house of sticks, and Gonu lived in a house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. The wolf went away, and Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. That's what that thing anzo dungi ko text ko ran do sto chi that dungi deshe in the wrong anzo chiglu chik chini deshi jagi thambodila 3 little pigs lana pautu sumsra tine once there were 3 little pigs la dora once there were la dora were la de ko de chigra iski de chi inde ta dung de khare dung gi nganzo igi article ine re dung ine re khare ne thambodi tense karina thu karina chido dilata ni shimba changma odi tense de gi jugla yimba doji mangchi wa ji inde chungor ra dela chasha ore jina dung de khare word le de sambula ko de ching na le swara songza dung de changma past tense na de ra once there were 3 little pigs ngoma thu chigla khare ores phautu sumyores am phautu sum gi ming khare la na Sonu, Monu and Gonu ko sum gi ming chik Sonu, Monu and Gonu. The Sonu lived in a house of straw. Straw le du sampu chakhangba ra Sonu le phagtu di kharina de ore chakhangba chna de ore straw de lived le dora ed gap dora de che ko nyama indish na de ore Monu lived in a house of sticks. monu le phaktu dikharna de orna stick lana shingra shingi khangba de bores ani gonu lived in a house of bricks the gonu le phaktu sumba dikhare manzo dinde khangba sushe jera sabagi khangba dinde shnan de bores laso ta dinga jo chiglu thangbo de changma imbache ta niba dikhachi ta endra one day nima chicks khajido a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house Nimachik big chimbo bad lana tukja wolf lana changi ra Nimachik hare changi chimbo tukja chi sunang le Sonu khangba na le re ra and we know that Sonu's house is made up of straws ra Sonu gi khangba dikare Tsagi sujurwa. Now let's see what the wolf is saying ra wolf digi he said that changi di kharlare I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down ra huff and puff la di uk indi nganzo gomra lungi gang le ne uk chimbu ma ta ma jero le jero puje jero o de ne I will huff and puff ra and I will blow your house ya ni ki chnang gi khangba jero straw khangba de gajigo ma torshi nang shogos ra ma luk shogos gambu ine nganzo puje wala blow chi wale ra laso so he huffed takogi dus ngajo di I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down ne dikharu double inverted comma nang dwara dikhare wolf changi digi kecha khora rangi kecha di jang jo khogi kecha into shifts lejer ding jo khachire double inverted comma nang dur thini khachido changi gi so he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down thini changi di khachire ugring ukchimbu ndi gomra ukchimbu ndi gap ani khoge sonu gi straw khangba di khachire store series laso tadi ngan chiglu nyo di clear in the ta sonu gi khangba straw khangba chagang jiro tadi mewa chaso now let's see what sonu is going to do ra sonu ran to monu's house ta sonu le phagtu thangbo ji adi khachido monu gi khangba la ran na thwa run gi past tense ra theres ra ani the wolf came to Monu's house. The changi de khachire Monu ki khangba le rock. So ni thesha tange. Again he is saying ratayang goni ranja wolf ki changi de khalido I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. Tayang koi ranja goni lertera ni gi pushu bu jam ni khirangi khangba de tor shawla. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew Monu's house down. The ya rangja koi ukchimbu ji lenra ma ukyaden jigla phugyaden jigla khachire Monu gi khangba de tor sereler Monu gi khangba khare sojore stick khangba shing khangba sojora the Sonu's straw house and Monu's stick house ra niga mewa chaza so now let's see Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house the Sonu dang Monu niga khachire Gonu na thereler Gonu lana ngajo phaktu sumba ra khogi khangba de khare sojore brick ki ra saba gi sojora the wolf came to Gonu's house tayan jibujigyang thangi changi wolf chiora di khajire Gonu khangba layang le reler and again he's saying the same thing yang koi ranja lerderwa I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down ra yang koi ranja jibujigyang lerderwa ni ukchapostani khirang khangba tor shawle jora in tata khachido so he huffed and he puffed but there's a but ra but he could not blow the brick house down koi khachire chumbu tangwa ma tore gi phuji gyare darwa but hina yang Gonu gi brick khangba jor ra saba khangba di khogi khachire tor thuyo mare ra it was very strong di khangba di kare pe thakpo strong na nam gyong jo shuk chumbu ro la khur ra ine strong la thinda shema di thakpo la yang khur darwa it was very strong ani khachide the wolf went away ta thamadela khachido siglu thama paragraph thamadnala changi di khurang pha chin resra ani Sonu Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house thine phakto sumga Sonu Monu and Gonu sumga khachire sabagi khangba maujo ra dinangla happily chiu chine an adverb redra ly jadwara happily together nyamdo ani de reler kharinala red brick house khangba sabagi sojo khangba mawadinala konsum nyam de reler laso dungi deshe di two story che ta dinang la thingi sogi ngajo comment section nala ngat thua chigi ra thingi sogi comment section na len jabru che ra ani thangba dela how many pigs were there in the story dung dinangla how many pics were there in the story dung dinangla phakpa khaje do ledger lengi sogi comment section nan dile inji nan jabe ki thapsi che indra ani the nore do da dinde khegu jiyo marwa nga inji gi ne nga pet perfect the indicate marwa nga sama jango ra channel di gyuni gi di lengi so goni goni shi di gora nga ne ndi short si renga zo pha celebrate ra la so ani lengi so di len di ke pro che ra Tibanyua di what did the big bad wolf say to the pigs? The changi dugja shia chambudigi paudu sumgala chikbachigyang khogi khorang yekeza I told you no inverted comma na yo khogi chik la di da khoi khari le do changi sumgala khari las khoi ra di thiwani di lengi so comment section na la answer 1 answer 2 lane len sharu chi ra nga zo de gyune nga zo touch ra ani le ni ga tikcho do yena ni gi jama video chik na la lengi so le shout out le this bola chik nga je thang ngarang ni ni nga je nga shu mi sembu do de ke ma ro ine indi do ji ngarang go chen chu de le lengi so le shout out chik nangi ra shout out le the ming begin ra ani la so tinde do chi ani tharingi ni dung de dusra yin lengi so la goma chiwa chungena chik ine thida ine the khari ba ine anju chengi section dina sharona aju digune phasu di chi chora goni yangyar jang chore an tharingi ni dung diran jami tiba de section ine thijna subscribe chi gyune manju channel to enjoy subscribe chuna ani gondu gyar to share chigla Instagram tholingi gondu shibane chi inji indicator sumju ga chi de ore kidingi so dinde ya dindala themani sum dinde sigdena ni de ID dire de follow na rena share follow mana ne ke indi mindura nga chitane lengi so pena sam ne indi do chi ngaran sa samonyam de jana sungna do sam ne indi do chi mi gi de la so ani ta outro ke je di ringbu do shadu de lengi so chapu shuru na